Learn about the New Year Festival of the Hmong community in the United States 2023-2024. The Hmong community, a group with roots in the mountainous regions of China, Laos, Thailand, and Vietnam, have a rich history and vibrant cultural traditions. One of their most significant celebrations is the Hmong New Year, which has continued to thrive even among the diaspora in the United States. Let's dive into the details of this fascinating festival as it unfolds in 2023-2024. 1. Historical significance. Hmong New Year traditionally marks the end of the harvest season and is a time for families to come together, give thanks, and prepare for the next planting season. Historically, it provided a window of rest in agrarian schedules and was a chance for families to socialize and create marital ties. 2. Rituals and traditions. Soul calling ceremony Hmoob, one of the essential rituals. This ceremony is performed to honor the ancestral spirits and ensure the family's well-being for the coming year. Ball tossing game Pop Pop, a cultural game where young men and women toss a cloth ball back and forth. This serves both as a communal activity and a subtle form of courtship. 3. Clothing and attire. Traditional Hmong clothing is an explosion of colors, intricate patterns, and handmade designs. Both men and women don distinct outfits that can signify their specific clan or subgroup within the Hmong community. The festival sees a display of these beautiful outfits, often accompanied by silver jewelry. For music and dance, the keech, a traditional Hmong musical instrument, is often played during the New Year celebrations. Its haunting melodies accompany dances and other festivities, weaving music into the very fabric of the celebrations. 5. Modern adaptations in the U.S. While the core traditions remain intact, the Hmong New Year in the U.S. also witnesses certain contemporary elements. Public celebrations. Various U.S. cities with significant Hmong populations, like Fresno, California, and St. Paul, Minnesota, hold public events, attracting thousands of attendees from multiple ethnic backgrounds. Workshops and education. Recognizing the importance of cultural preservation, many events now feature workshops that educate both Hmong youth and the broader public about traditional crafts, music, and rituals. 6. Hmong New Year foods. No celebration is complete without a feast. Traditional dishes like sticky rice, Hmong sausages, and a variety of stews and soups are prepared. The festival also sees the preparation of special dishes that might not be regularly consumed throughout the year. 7. Social significance. For the Hmong diaspora, the New Year Festival is not just about tradition, but also about identity. It serves as a reminder of their roots, offers an opportunity for community bonding, and reinforces cultural pride among the younger generation. 8. Challenges and continuity. With increasing assimilation, there's a real concern about the younger Hmong generation losing touch with their traditions. However, the continued prominence of the New Year celebrations, combined with efforts by community leaders and elders, ensures that the festival remains a beacon of cultural continuity. Conclusion. The Hmong New Year in the U.S. for 2023-2024 is more than just a festival. It's a testament to the resilience and adaptability of the Hmong community. Even thousands of miles away from their ancestral lands, the spirit of the celebration burns bright, bridging the gap between the old and the new, and between tradition and modernity. Thank you for watching.